welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to have a crab boil in the bag. So for this recipe, I use crab legs, shrimps, potatoes, sausage, corn, lobster tail, and the famous Belove sauce. So let's get started. So I have 2 oven bags here. And I'm just gonna add my seafood and the other good stuff. Two bags, and start off with my shrimp here, the for shell on, which I have washed and shelled. So I'm just gonna put a little in this bag and a little in that bag. My sausage, my potatoes, my corn, three in one bag and 2 in the other. I have 2 lobsters here, 1 in each bag. Well, you know what? I added lobsters last. I have some crab legs here. Crab legs. I'm just trying not to bust my bag with the crab legs, so I'm gonna bend the legs a little bit. They don't have to be fancy. I had a bunch of crab leg pieces, so I figured I'd just throw them in a crab boil right along with the crab legs. Sure did. I got these lobster tails here. Lay them right on top. Another one right on top. I got my famous Belove sauce. Give it a little stir. Put half over there. Half here. Put a little of the sauce in here. Put a little of the sauce over there. I got a stick of unsalted butter. I'm gonna stick in each one of them. Yep, just lay it right on top. I got another unsalted butter. Put that one right on top. I'm gonna take this back. I'm gonna tie it up. Let some of the air out. Give it a tie. like that. Give it a shake here and a turn there. Try not to turn my bag with the crab legs. Just want to mix the Belove sauce in there. The butter gonna melt anyway. Try my next bag. I'm gonna put my oven on 375. Put my oven on 375. I'm gonna let some of the air out of this bag. Try this bag. Give this bag a shake here and a turn there. Try not to rip the bag. Put that in there. Set this one over in here. And my oven is on 375. And all you're going to do next is place it in the oven. And you want this to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. The reason I'm doing 30 to 40 minutes because my crab legs and my lobster tail and my shrimps is already defrosted, so they was at room temperature, so I had no ice on them, so I'm all good to go. Just enough time to cook my corn and cook my potatoes mostly. So we're going in the oven and we'll be back. So we're just gonna check on our seafood boil. It's been here about 30 minutes now. So it's looking good. Ain't quite ready yet. The potatoes is still a little hard. So we're just gonna slide it back in here for another about 20-25 minutes. So it's been about 45-50 minutes. Check on our crab boil. They done swelled up on me. That's what they're supposed to do. Now if I can just get them out of the oven. So we're just gonna check them. Ooh, it's hot. Very, very hot. The bag. Ooh, they smell amazing. That steam will burn you, so be careful. And there you have it. Our crab legs. Our sausage. Our lobster tail has cooked and curled up. Our shrimps, our corn, and just to make our meat is done, just want to make sure the potatoes is done. So find a potato, the fork sticking there nice and easy. So our potatoes are done. There you have it. Crab boil, seafood boil in a bag with Belove sauce. I hope you guys enjoy my video of my seafood crab boil. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. Comment, also like this video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.